Before starting our today's video, 99% of viewers not subscribed to this channel. Are you serious? If you folks need future videos on time, so make sure to smash the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any update from Design Universe channel. So let's start with our today's topic. Framer is a powerful tool for those who crave pixel-perfect designs. It's a prototyping and design platform that offers a wide range of components and interactions. Key features: code-free design. Create visually appealing websites without writing a single line of code. Interactive prototypes. Build dynamic prototypes to test user experiences. Custom animations. Add engaging animations to make your website stand out. Integration with design tools. Seamlessly connect with Figma and Adobe XD. Odoo. If you're seeking a comprehensive business management platform, Odoo is worth considering. It offers a suite of integrated applications including website building, CRM, e-commerce, and more. Key features: website builder. Create professional websites with customizable templates. CRM functionality. Manage customer relationships and sales pipelines. Scalability. Easily expand your website and businesses needed. Best for small and medium-sized businesses that require a complete business solution. Hostinger. Hostinger is a popular choice for those on a budget. It offers affordable web hosting plans and a user-friendly website builder. Key features: drag and drop builder. Pre-designed templates. Choose from a variety of professional templates. SEO tools. Optimize your website for search engines. Choosing the right builder. The best website builder for you depends on your specific needs and preferences.